after a successful ride down sa ating FOMC last night. So inabangan talaga natin yan 2 a.m. Earlier, no. So today is Thursday, 2 a.m. Madaling araw. Talagang sinundan natin tong news na to. And even before the FOMC announcement, and meron na talagang movement, and that's where the real move happened. So before that specific, kasi na-backtest na natin yan, and of course experience before yung mga FOMC na mga meeting or announcement, sa sundan talaga natin yan. Talagang tinututukan natin yan kahit di tayo mag-trade or mag-trade tayo, nakabantay talaga tayo. So para lang experience natin, no? So I highly encourage you to do that as well. And ayun nga, no, the real move happened, or the real move happens before that specific announcement. So everyone is expecting that there's going to be a hawkish tone, and any upset would mean a reverse in direction. So from 4,700 it went down to 4,510 or 4,509 mga 11 p.m. pa lang, no. So after that it went sideways, it went up, and then it went down for a while, only to get back up at 4,638 in the afternoon the next day. So ganun nga yung nangyari, no. So why? Because na price in na nga yung expectation na hawkish tone ni Fed. So hawkish means yung interest rate is expecting to go up. So with that, kasi with interest rates going up, mas mahal yung paghawak kay gold, no. So may mga overnight trades. If you notice, may mga swap fees na tinatawag, no. So yung swap fees na yan, doon din nanggagaling yung mga doon din yan nakadepende sa interest rates ng US. So the higher the interest rate ng dollar is, of course, it's against the non-yielding asset like gold. So that's why it's important to know that, kasi kapag pataas ang interest rates, mas mahal hawakan si gold sa mga gantong trading natin, no, sa mga leverage trading. So ayun lang, just to let you know na we are at the key resistance area 4630, and pag na-break niya yung downtrend line na yan, downtrend channel na yan, then that means that we are on reverse, and but of course there's going to be some limited upside, no. So we can expect at least 4.7 or 4.8 the maximum, no. So we cannot shoot for the moon. So yun lang, as long as the war is continuing, yun nga, inflation fears pa rin yan, and there could be a reason for gold to go back down. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.